Hey guys, this is Hedgie with Hedgie's Happy Campers Club, Campers in Clarksville, Indiana. My number is 502-500-6196. Guys, look what I got here. It's a 2020 Jayco Eagle 36-foot fifth wheel. This thing's nice. We just got it in. It's very, very clean, guys. Very clean fifth wheel, very nice fifth wheel. You see the underbelly storage there, all heated holding tanks. There's your Bluetooth speakers, your solid steps, frameless windows. This is a good looking unit, guys. Outside kitchen. Notice where your awning comes out. It's not off of the fifth wheel, it's off of the slide. So it gives you a whole lot more shade, especially over your kitchen here. You notice your kitchen's got a fridge, a TV back there, some storage, nice griddle there, bottle opener. This is a nice fifth wheel, guys. I looked it over. Doesn't look like it's got a scratch on it that I can find. It's got your frameless windows. Got a hitch back there. Triple slide, 36 foot. Kill myself here. 36 foot. Nice fifth wheel. Dry weight is under 12,000 pounds. Continue to walk around here. See your wet bay there. Again, all your tanks are heated and enclosed. Nice storage there. There's the other side of your storage from the other side. Here's your auto level. Very nice. In fact, the dry weight is 11,856. Not bad for a 36-foot triple slide fifth wheel. You notice it's set up for a gooseneck right now. You could put it on a regular hitch if you wanted. That's not a big deal. Good looking front cap there. We'll walk inside now because it's got a very, very nice floor plan. Very clean. This unit came in just exactly how you're seeing it. Nice big 4-door fridge there. 3-burner stove, oven, convection microwave. Nice island with good storage. There's all these drawers too. Theater seats. Nice big sleeper sofa. It's a trifold, a triple cushion trifold, which makes a huge bed. Fireplace, really big TV, ceiling fan, freestanding dinette. I'm sure you get 2 more chairs somewhere. But check this out, guys. Over here you got a pantry. Really nice pantry. Here is your half bath. This has got a really nice half bath here. With good storage, sink, medicine cabinet. It's wired for solar. And here comes the best part. Your master bedroom. Inside your master boudoir, you got a king-size bed. You got another loft up here. You got nice TV there. Big dresser there. Look at this. This is your master bath. Check that out, guys. Wow. Wow, what a master bath this is. Lots of storage. Washer dryer prepped. And a big closet back here. That's kind of dark, but trust me, it's a huge closet. I'll kind of step away a little bit. Kind of show you get the shoe rack in there. Then all of that behind that door, all the way back there. Really nice. I love the shower. This big fantastic fan there. Skylight there. King size bed, nightstands. This is kind of cool here too though. Do a little loft up here. Very nice. 2020, guys. Triple slide, 36 foot, under 12,000 pounds. I've got it priced right, guys. Promise you, I've got it priced right. Give me a call, 502-500-6196. Hedgie's Happy Campers Club, Campers in Clarksville, Indiana. Guys, if this is the one, call me. If this is not the one, give me a call. Let me know what you're looking for. I got everything from little pop-ups to $1 million motorhomes. And there's your model number, guys. 502-500-6196. Hedgie's Happy Campers Club, Campers in Clarksville, Indiana. Give me a call, guys. Thanks.